Welcome to Let's Fix It Right. In this episode, I'll show you how to easily and quickly unclog your bathroom and shower faucet aerators for the cost of a bottle of distilled white vinegar. In addition, we'll discuss unclogging a laundry room sink faucet. Furthermore, we'll discuss unclogging a pull-down kitchen faucet aerator and kitchen faucet cartridge. This is also the cartridge that I showed how to replace in episode 47, covering your do-it-yourself replacement of a kitchen faucet cartridge for free. In addition to the bottle of white vinegar for dissolving and removing mineral deposits on these components, these are the tools you'll need. Regular pair of pliers or channel lock pliers, a rag, bathroom faucet aerator extraction tool that came with your faucet package, or a small screwdriver. If you don't have a faucet aerator extraction tool, you have the option of purchasing a set of these tools with several sizes. To access these tools, go to the description below and select Show More. At this time, I'll demonstrate how this sink faucet that we use most often is severely restricted by mineral deposits that form in its aeration filter. Over here on the opposite side of the vanity, you can see that this faucet with low usage has a much better water flow. Bottom line is we are looking good on this side and not very good on this side. First step is to remove the aerator. You can see that it is notched with a design that matches the top castle edge of this removal tool that came with the sink faucet when I purchased it at Home Depot. If you don't have one of these tools, you can use a small straight blade screwdriver to remove it. However, be very careful not to damage the inside portion of the aerator. Keep the screwdriver on the outer circumference of the aerator where the plastic castle lugs are. Using the extraction tool will remove the aerator by turning the tool in a counterclockwise direction. Wow, you can see that the aerator is severely restricted with mineral deposits. So in short order, I'll show you how to remove these mineral deposits. Our laundry sink has a similar problem. It's not totally clogged, but it's restricted and has a water stream that sometimes shoots horizontally out of the sink and all over the floor. Since we're cleaning the bathroom aerator, we'll clean the laundry sink aerator at the same time. With a pair of pliers and a rag, we'll remove the faucet head. The rag prevents damaging the chrome plating on the faucet head. As it's coming off, you'll see a lot of grit and grime on the faucet aerator also. Once again, there are a lot of mineral deposits in here. A lot of them. And we'll try to get some of these out before we drop it into our distilled vinegar solution. When turning on our upstairs shower, you can see that we also have severely restricted water flow coming out of its head. Both my wife and I frequently use this, and it's now clogged up. When I originally installed it, we had great water flow. Similar to what we did in the laundry room, we're going to remove the head from its shaft here. Using my channel lock pliers and a rag to keep from damaging the sleeve, we'll now remove the shower head. Once you get it started, it comes off very easy. Okay, we'll take this down to the kitchen with our other components and clean them out. I scraped off as many of the mineral deposits as I could from both the bathroom and the laundry room faucet aerators and dropped them into our distilled white vinegar solution here just a few minutes ago. As you can see, a lot of it is coming off already. We'll let this chemical process continue for one day. Our shower head may be a little bit more complicated. I use the remainder of the white vinegar. With the shower head submerged, it only covers approximately one half of the head. The base, which has the aerator, will be submerged at all times. So after one day, we'll rotate it 180 degrees to clean the other side of the head. Let it soak for another day and then try it in the shower. Lastly, please note that the vinegar will not harm any of the plastic components in the shower head or bathroom faucet aerator. It's only been about a half a day, and most of the mineral deposits have been dissolved from our bathroom and laundry room components. This is the bathroom faucet aerator here, and it appears to be totally clean. So I'll rinse it off here and place it over here. And these are the laundry room components. So at this time we'll reassemble them and reinstall both of these aerators in their original location. Most of the vinegar left is still in pretty good shape, so let's pour it into the shower head container over here. We're in good shape with respect to the bathroom aerator. When pulling the laundry room faucet aerator out of the solution, I noticed that it was totally clean. However, due to it being almost 30 years old, its condition is a different story. All of its parts are metallic. They look like they're very thin copper, and when I tried to reassemble them, they crumbled and fell apart. In other words, they've exceeded their useful life by far. So I replaced it with this generic Home Depot aerator, which was in the $4 to $5 range. I've returned to the bathroom with the clean aerator. Using its installation tool, it meshes with the aerator very nicely. We'll center it in here, turn it clockwise, screw it in place, and let the threads catch without stripping them. We have it screwed in place, so we'll turn it on. And you can see that we now have excellent water pressure and good flow. Okay, so with the shower head cleaned and thoroughly cleaned by our solution, we'll reinstall it. Okay, so with the shower head finger tight, we'll go ahead and use our channel locks once again to tighten it down. Okay, so it's on there pretty tight. So with it installed, let's go ahead and test our water pressure at this time. So as you can see, we have good water pressure. We've restored it to its original capability, and the cleaning and reinstallation are a total success. I've returned to the sink that I just featured in episode 47 to show you that I also cleaned its faucet head with this vinegar solution. You can see we have good aeration coming from the center spout, and a good clean spray with the handle here and the other bit. You can also use this distilled white vinegar approach to clean the Kitchen Faucet Cartridge that I installed in episode 47. This concludes this episode where I showed you how to easily and quickly unclog your bathroom and shower faucet aerators for very little cost. In addition, we addressed unclogging a laundry room sink faucet aerator, a kitchen faucet aerator, and a kitchen faucet cartridge. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and select the YouTube bell so YouTube will notify you of all my new projects immediately after I publish them. At this time, I'm moving on to my next project. You're more than welcome to follow. In addition, if you have a great project that you want to post on my YouTube channel, email me some pictures and a brief description of it. If it qualifies for the Let's Fix It Right standards to help others, I'll interview you over the phone as a guest do-it-yourselfer, produce a high-quality video, and post it on my Let's Fix It Right channel. For the year following this posting, I'll share 50% of the potential YouTube benefits with you. If you have any subject matter requests or recommendations, please contact me. All of this said, I recommend that you subscribe to my channel, follow my projects, and save a bundle of money doing it.